In front of me is OPPO A17 and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this OPPO smartphone. Begin by locating Clock app. When you find it, click on it. Then select Alarm section at the bottom left corner and create your own by tapping on this plus icon. Now set up an hour. Click on Ring once or select Custom. Then tap on Repeat and choose days of the week that you wish to set up. I will go with every Monday and every Wednesday. When you're ready, click on the back button. Now you can label your alarm however you wish to over here. And click on those two switches next to Vibrate and Snooze to disable or enable those features. Then click on Ringtone. Now select Allow in the pop-up and tap on the best melody for you. I will go with Dreamy Jazz. You can also select Weather Adaptive or click on this device and tap on the song from your smartphone. As you can see, I don't have any, so I have to go back, select one of those, maybe relax, and go back again. In order to save your alarm, click on this check mark at the top right corner. As you can see, mine was successfully created. You can switch it off completely by tapping on this switcher next to it and tapping on one of those options. You can switch it back on by tapping on the same switcher. If you wish to delete your alarm, you need to hold it, click on Delete icon and confirm your choice in the pop-up. In order to edit your alarm, tap on it, make your changes, and discard them by tapping on the top left corner or save them by selecting top right one. You can also adjust more alarm settings by tapping on those three dots at the top right corner, clicking on settings and managing all of them however you wish to, like ring duration. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!